Hello everyone, this is our maths class. Today we are going to see the unit 2 numbers and sequence. Numbers and sequence. Numbers means countings. Sequence means continuous. Okay, next in that first we are going to see about Euclid division lemma. Euclid division lemma. Euclid division lemma. First you take any two positive integers. First, you take any positive integers a and b. So, a is greater than b. A is greater than b. Now, there exist unique integers a is equal to bq plus r. A is equal to bq plus r. This condition is Euclid's division lemma, where 0 less than or equal to r less than b. R is equal to 0 including etc. b excluding. For example, if you divide 47 by 5, then what will be the quotient and remainder? Answer is 47 divided by 5. 9 5s are 45. Remainder is 2. So first 47 is divided. A. Divisor is b. Quotient is q. Remainder is r. So condition a is equal to bq plus r. A is equal to bq plus r. A is equal to 47 is equal to b is equal to 5 into q is equal to 9 plus r is equal to 2. 5 9s are 45 plus 2 is equal to 47. 47 is equal to 47. LHS is equal to RHS. Suppose if r is equal to 0, r is equal to 0, then Euclid division lemma is a is equal to bq. A is equal to bq. For example, 36 divided by 6. 6 6 are 36. Remainder is 0. Next topic, generalized form of Euclid's division lemma. Euclid's division lemma and this one is both are equal, but there is only one difference. And the difference is b values. B values, that one is positive or negative, but the final answer is positive. A is equal to bq plus r, where 0 less than or equal to r less than modulus b. So mod b means negative or positive. For example, a is equal to minus 12 and b is equal to 5. Divided 12 minus 12, divisor is equal to 5. Then using Euclid division lemma, a is equal to bq plus r. So first one is minus 12 is equal to 5 into 3 minus 3. 5 3s are 15 plus into minus minus. Minus 15 plus 3 is equal to answer is minus 12. LHS is equal to RHS. That condition is satisfied. Exercise 2.1. First question is find all positive integers when divided by 3 leaves remainder 2. First question is when divided by 3 leaves remainder 2. When divided by, so divisor is 3, remainder is 2. So then what will be the positive integers? First, given divisor is 3, so b is equal to 3, remainder is 2, r is equal to 2. By using Euclid's lemma, a is equal to bq plus r 0 less than or equal to r less than b. So that is condition. Apply the given values. b is equal to 3 into q plus r is equal to 2. Next one, where q is equal to, you don't know. Q is equal to positive digits 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Apply the values. Q is equal to, first one is 0. 3q plus 2 is equal to 3 into 0 plus 2. 3 into 0, 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Q is equal to 1. 3q plus 2. 3 into 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 into 1, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. q is equal to 2. 3 into 2 plus 2 is equal to 3 2s are 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Q is equal to 3. 3q plus 3. 3 into 3 plus 2 is equal to 3 3s are 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. So finally, the final answer is the all positive integers. All positive integers. When divided by 3 leaves remainder 2. The answer is 2, 5, 8, 11, etc. A man has 532 flower pots. He wants to arrange them in rows such that each row contains 21 flower pots. Find the number of completed rows and how many flower pots are left over. First one is, a man has 532 flower pots. Total A is equal to 532. Next one, he wants to arrange them in rows. He arranged the row wise such that each row contains 21 flower pots. So divisor B is equal to 21. Find the number of completed rows and how many flower pots are left over. Finally, we need to find out the completed rows and completed flower pots left over. So total flower pots A is equal to 532 and each row 20, that means B is equal to 21 flower pots. Okay, next one, by using Euclid division lemma. A is equal to, what is the condition? A is equal to BQ plus R 0 less than or equal to R less than B. So first one, A is equal to 532, B is equal to 21, Q no, R no. So next you find that values. 532 divided by 21. So first one, single digit, divisor is 2-digit number. After you take 2-digit numbers, 53. How many times? 2 times. 2 into 21, 42. Remainder is 11. So that 2 here. So 112. So 112 divided by 21. How many times? 5 times. 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. So remainder is 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. So that one is A, that one is quotient, that one is divisor, that one is R. So 532 is equal to 21 into quotient is equal to 25, remainder is 7. Final answer is number of completed rows is equal to 25. Number of flower pots left is equal to 7. That's it. Prove that the product of two consecutive positive integers is divisible by 2. Explanation is, we need to prove that the product of two consecutive positive integers which is divisible by 2. Third one answer is, first given B is equal to 2. Divisor is 2. Next, we take positive integers, positive consecutive positive integers. Odd numbers, even numbers. Okay, first number is even or odd. So first I take even number 2k, 2 into k. Second number is odd, 2k plus 1. Example, first number is even. Even is equal to 2k. So 2 into k, 2 into anything. 2 into anything. That answer is even number. So k is equal to 1. Suppose I put k is equal to 1. That answer is 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Second number is odd. So 2k plus 1. K is equal to 1. 2 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. That is odd number. Next, product of two consecutive positive integers. Product of two consecutive positive integers. Product of two consecutive positive integers is equal to, even number is 2 into k, odd number is 2k plus 1. First you check 2 into k into 2k plus 1. That one is 2 into something. 2 into something. That answer is even. 2 is even number. So 2 into anything, that is answer is also even number. It is multiple of 2. This is divisible by 2. For example, 2k into 2k plus 1. So k is equal to 1. K is equal to 1. 2 into 1 into 2 into 1 into plus 1. 2 into 1, 2, bracket, 2 into 1, 2 plus 1. 2 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 2 3s are 6. That is divisible by 2. So, product of two consecutive positive integers divisible by 2. When the positive integers a, b and c are divided by 13, then respective remainders are 9, 7 and 10. Show that a plus b plus c is divisible by 13. When the positive integers divided by 13, then for respective remainders are a, b and c are 9, 7 and 10. Given is b is equal to 13. By using Euclid division lemma, a is equal to bq plus r. So first one is a divided is equal to a, divisor is equal to 13, remainder is equal to 9. First one, a is equal to, divisor is equal to 13 and quotient is equal to x, remainder is equal to 9. Second part is b is equal to, dividend is equal to b is equal to, divisor is equal to 13, quotient is equal to y, remainder is equal to 7. Third part is c is equal to 13 z plus remainder is equal to 10. Finally, a plus b plus c is equal to, a plus b plus c is equal to, first one is a is equal to 13x plus 9 plus b is equal to 13y plus 7 plus c is equal to 13z plus 10. 13x plus 13y plus 13z plus add constant values. 9 plus 7 plus 10 is equal to, 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. 16 plus 10 is equal to 26. Next, that one is common table for 13. Common table, 13th table. 113 is 13, 113 is 13, 113 is 13. 2 13s are 26. So 13 into x plus y plus z plus 2. So this one is 13 into anything. 13 into anything. So 13 into anything is equal to divisible by 13th table. Finally, a plus b plus c is multiple of 13. It is divisible by 13.